Hi, I am T-Bot. I was born in Suzhou, China in 2009. I am a professor of elevator research and development, intelligent manufacturing, sales, installation, and maintenance. I became popular and well-known in 2013. Rooted in European precision engineering, driven by the mission towards better life. With 2 decades of industry mastery, I converge cutting-edge elevator technologies to redefine smart manufacturing excellence in China, delivering tailored vertical mobility solutions worldwide. You don't need to understand elevators. Towards delivers complete vertical mobility solutions effortlessly. Or one-stop expertise eliminates complexities, customized design planning, precision manufacturing, seamless installation and commissioning, lifetime maintenance and smart upgrades. You will experience truly worry-free elevator lifecycle management through expert online, offline consultations. I precisely identify your unique requirements to deliver truly bespoke design solutions. Pre-installation phase. Our engineers conduct meticulous shaft measurements with laser precision to guarantee flawless elevator fitment. Production phase. Towards smart factory, automated manufacturing systems, ISO-certified quality control protocols, multi-stage safety stress testing. Outcome: every elevator delivers uncompromising safety and exceptional performance. From first bolt to final inspection, these elevators stand ready for global deployment, poised to serve millions worldwide. Witness our elevators riding the China speed to every corner of the world. From the Yangtze River Delta to Southeast Asia, across Africa to the Americas, Towards earns global trust through premium-grade elevator systems, unmatched service excellence, true cross-continent reliability. Wherever they rise, our elevators elevate standards to ensure every customer enjoys premium service. Towards provides 24/7 global support hotline, worldwide service network, expert maintenance teams, certified technicians with 10,000+ service hours, smart IoT elevator platform, real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. Smart elevator IoT solutions will provide real-time monitoring, risk prevention, predictive maintenance, and customized care. Your safety and satisfaction are our always-on commitment. Every ascent and descent carries the promise of a better life. Towards elevator, towards better life.